Kitty Courtesy. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request you to all my followers, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further video upcoming notifications. So let's start review now. Kitty Courtesy coming soon on Solana blockchain. It is very unique and awesome project, guys. You have to must join this amazing platform. What is Kitty Courtesy? It is the furious addition to the crypto universe, punching the heart of the internet ovation with all things cute and fluffy. Courtesy is not just a meme token; it's a lifestyle created on the speedy Solana networks. It promises viscous, quick transaction, a mountain of yuan-like threads of community connections, and a basket full of opportunity to claw into the world of digital finance with a cute smile. So here is the technomics of about this amazing platform. This is the official token address of the Kitty Doxy. So here is the official address. You have to for copy it and you can to buy this amazing token. What is the token symbol? Which is Courtesy, and pre-sale on Pink Sale Fair launch, which is on 23rd and 24 and 25 April. So you have to must buy this amazing token and you can earn a money lot of more by this amazing platform. You have to simple invest a little more and you can get more of the benefits by this amazing platform. And here is the launch and total pre-sale total token amount of this amazing platform. It is the audit tax, which is you can see here 0%, and liquidity is 51%, which is locked for 1 year. And you can see here there is the founder advice which get 8% pre-sale, 50% marketing is about 5%, and CX Central Exchange platform is 12%. This is the roadmap which is divided into different phases. In phase 1 it's scroll and make the website, social launch, marketing, community building, pink sale and private call group of their social medias accounts, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and YouTube. In phase 2, it's walk to the pink sale fair launch and Dex View trending, Dex screener trending, CMC, CG fast rate, and also listing influencer. There is a partnership YouTube reviews also. And in phase 3, it's fly on different exchanges like Dextool, CX, and also on the YouTube marketing and buying activities also, and contents continuity campaigns. And in phase 4 it will be popular on all the famous exchanges websites. And these are the partners, which is Rhythm, CoinGecko, Pink Sale, and Solskin. So this is the about of the Kitty Courtesy. Here is the white paper which includes 5 pages. You have to must download this white paper. I have already downloaded, and if you have any info, if you have any question and query, so you have to download it and you can get all your answers from this white paper. All information about this amazing platform is here. Also the about of the vision and mission, which is the tale of crypto unity, and also the object, what is the objectives of this amazing platform, that's are hiding a vibrant community of crypto kitties, and also scratching the itch for a crypto that's both a meme and also a dream. It's unleashing the potential of per Solana Finance with a giggle. Here is also about their features, which is Whisker Quick, and also the transaction for Wallproc, and also the community traits. You can earn tokens for being community contents also. So here is the tokenomics and roadmap, which I have already described it. And these are the all social media's account of this amazing platform, official websites and their official social medias account. I have placed these official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can open their amazing websites on your PC. So here is the Kitty Codsey Instagram account. You have to must follow this, and you can get all upcoming information about this amazing platform, and you can get all information and news. So here you can see their pink sale launch when it's come fair launch, and here you can see their all up so cute memes and NFTs about this amazing platform. Here you can see there all of the information on the Instagram account. This is their official Telegram account. You have to join this and you can get all upcoming information. This is their official Twitter account. You have to follow this and you can get all the information about this amazing platform. There is a beautiful music. You have to hear it and you can get all information. So see, here you can see audit verification, also KYC verification. What is the audit verification? It is about cortisol. Here you can see it is the manual audit, and I have already described token name Kitty Cordzilla, token symbol Cordsy, text is 0% and maximum supply also is available here, and also the official token address. And this audit is reported has been prepared by the Pediatrics experts at the request of the client. In this audit, the result of the static analysis and manual code review will be presented. Here you can see it is will be prepared by an expert, and this is the KYC audit. Here you can see how what is the audit process, how you discover behind our audits. You have to understanding the context, and you have to audit a smart contract properly, and you first need to understand what was the smart contract is suspended to do and how developers have made the same contract to what it is supposed to do. Our team achieves this through discussion with the technical teams as well as initial readings of the code. And second, you have to review and testing. There comes the heart of the work, the analysis of the smart contract. First is a part of our team, which is 3 to 5 blockchain engineers, will read the smart contract line by line carefully and then will point out logical errors, possible optimization, and maybe even critical issues. So then the same team will be launched at testing process to verify the proper functioning of the smart contract and its robust against attacks. And the third thing is reporting and fixing. Finally, our team will produce a comprehensive report including a description of the smart contract protocol, also the method used to analyze it, and a full list of the problems encountered as well as ideas and code inspired to solve them. It's all about our security. And finally, the team will produce a comprehensive report including the description of the smart contract protocol, the method used to analyze it, and a full list of the problem encounter as well as ideas, the code snips to the solve them. Here is the KYC a process. It is you have to onboarding when you launch a blockchain project, be it an NFT, defi project or other. It is very important to prove your commitment and trust to your community and your partners, your customers. If you are not, Docs KYC can help you. Our KYC is done at the request of the blockchain project team. So the first step is to discuss with the team that wants to KYC and define the needs such as the number of people to KYC or desired delivery dates. And in second step you have to verify, and next is the we will ask the KYC people to identify documents such as their passport, ID card, proof address, and we will set up online video meetings to validate their information in person. Finally, we will request a video from the KYC person validating the shared identity and association with the project development, and also their commitment not to commit scams here. And third is the follow up. Once the KYC is completed, we will monitor the progress of KYC person's project to ensure that No such scams are launched if any doubt is spotted, especially shared by the project community. Our team will investigate. If the scam is proven, the people associated of this project will be contacted first to understand the situation. If this and then repair damages proposed by the team associated with the project of the people. It's all about the security. So here is the Padot security. Here you can secure building and improving the blockchain. Padot is at the forefront of blockchain security, leveraging cutting-edge manual security protocols to ensure the robust protection, continuous advancement, and vigilant monitoring of blockchain, smart contracts, and Web3 applications. So, Padot service is to taking token stacking, pre-sale more, smart contract audit, and here is the smart contract build up, and also is the lock your liquidity lock token and also request, and their services airdrop method is also present their method and KYC process for global regulations. I recommend you to invite your family and friend on this amazing platform fully courtesy by Pink Sale everyone.